Alafia! Hello! I'm so excited! Today is Umoja.
Umoja? Miss Imani? Today is Thursday.
No! Today is December 26th, the first day of Kwanzaa.
Kwanzaa? What's Kwanzaa?
Kwanzaa is a special Pan-African holiday. It celebrates African heritage, unity, and culture. Kwanzaa was created for African Americans to celebrate their history and culture. Now it's celebrated all over the world.
Whoa! Can I celebrate Kwanzaa?
Yes, of course you can.
I'm so excited! Where do we start?
Well, there are 7 days of Kwanzaa, and each one is a little bit different. Come on, let me show you.
Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Day 1, Umoja, together we stay. Unity means family every day. Day 2, Kujichagulia, bright. Self-determination, doing what's right. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Day 3, Ujima, helping we go. Working together, so we all grow. Day 4, Ujamaa, sharing with share. Building our community year by year. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Day 5, nee-AH, with dreams we see. A purpose for tomorrow, just you and me. Day 6, Kuumba, making art. Creativity lives in every heart. Day 7, Imani, faith and love. Believing in ourselves and above. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way. Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa, 7 days. Each day is special in its own way.